Fredericksburg has a new home improvement showroom on Cowan Boulevard in Central Park. This week we'll tell you about it. Fletcher Home. Today I'm at 3110 Cowan Boulevard. This is the new home for Fletcher Home, which recently relocated here from Garrisonville Road up in Stafford, and with Matt Fletcher, who's the owner of Fletcher Home. And Matt, we're so delighted to have you here in the city of Fredericksburg, so welcome to your new home. And
thank you very much.
so why don't we just start broad, tell us about Fletcher Home, what y'all do.
So we are a home improvement company that does roofing, siding, windows, and outdoor living, decks and patios. We've also gotten into the one-day bath remodel space where we come in and we'll change that old tub or shower into a beautiful new bath or shower in as little as one day. But those are our main services and products that we offer.
And tell us about your setup here, like what you have at this facility here on Cowan Boulevard.
So here we have a showroom for customers to come in and see our different products and actually see what a real patio or deck or bath looks like instead of looking at something on a little brochure or sample. You can come in and check out a couple different showers and baths, or walk into our screen porch or sit on our patio with all of our different colors and options that you can choose from here. We've also got all of our offices located here with our storage and warehouse locations, so we're all in one building.
So what attracted you to this location specifically?
For the past 4 or 5 years, we've been operating out of 2 different locations. We had our admin, sales, showroom in one spot in Stafford. We had our production warehouse in another location on Route 17. We were really trying to find a location where we could all be in one, and also just a better spot for customers. This building here in Central Park, City of Fredericksburg, I just really love this area, love the City of Fredericksburg. I thought this would be perfect. I kind of had to think outside the box a little bit for this building because it was more of a retail spot, but I did not want to be in a commercial industrial place. I thought that this building would be perfect for what we wanted, where we could all be under one roof. Great for our customers, have a larger showroom, and then for the company and the team, just better company culture, having a place like this where we could all be together and not separated. So that's really why.
Yeah.
And we're already seeing, just being here a couple weeks, just the team coming together so much better than we were in 2 different locations.
Well, the space really looks great. You did a great job. So people can just pop in. Do they need to make an appointment or?
Pop in. We're open from 8 to 7, and then pretty soon we're going to be open on Saturdays from 9 to 5 on Saturdays.
Okay. And how can people find out more online about Fletcher Home?
You can go to FletcherHome.com, and we've got a full website there with all of our products and services.
And then my final question, people who have been to the ballpark and have seen your marketing collateral have probably seen your mascot. So tell us a little bit about like the story behind your logo.
So that's Rufus. Rufus is Roofus, Rufus. We do a lot of roof replacements. So that's our Fletcher mascot dog. He's a yellow lab, and myself, my family, we have labs. We have a yellow lab. His name's not Rufus, but the Fletcher mascot is Rufus.
Yeah, well, it's great branding. So, Matt, we appreciate you joining us today and appreciate you moving your business to the city of Fredericksburg. Glad to have you.
Thanks a lot, Bill.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So that'll do it for this week's edition. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next week.